So you can see once it's in here, just finishing off the FAQ video, the whole fascia comes in, all looks fairly like factory. You can see that from both sides here, how it's sort of sitting in. Now you do lose your screen at the top here, because obviously everything comes down to the main screen. And then you've got steering wheel controls working. Happy days. Yeah, we'll just put the SIM card, the extra USBs, etc. in there. This one, reverse camera, that was installed. It's hooked up to the car's CAN system. Actually, I haven't actually checked in here, but sometimes you might still bring a little bit of information in here. No, there's nothing really to bring in. As you can see here, you got our unit working, Android base, access to the Play Store, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So yeah, that's about it for our PX1 Ford Ranger install. Great upgrade, yeah, good cars, and this will give you all the mod cons installed in it, and all your other factory options will work still, and it will look good, a bit like a factory install. So give it a crack if you want to install it yourself, or you can find one of our install partners, but it isn't too hard to do. You need to try yourself.